Hey everyone, here's how to set up email notifications for your Google Form. The quickest option is Google Forms built-in notification. Go to forms.google.com and open your form. Click the Responses tab at the top. That's between questions and settings. Now, click the three-dot icon in the upper right corner of the Responses section. Click Get Email Notifications for New Responses from the drop-down menu. You'll now get an email each time someone submits the form to the email address linked to your Google account. Keep in mind, this only notifies the form owner, and the email won't include the actual response details. You'll need to go back to Google Forms to see what they submitted. If that's too limited and you need more control, like sending notifications to multiple people or including the form responses in the email itself, you'll want to use an add-on. Install Email Notifications for Google Forms by Digital Inspiration from the Google Workspace Marketplace. Once that's installed, open your form and click the Add-ons icon. That's the puzzle piece icon in the form editor. Click Email Notification for Forms, then click Open App. Click the Create button and select Email Notification from the dropdown. Give your rule a name, something like Self-Notifications. Then fill in the sender's name and email address. Set the reply to address, then write your email subject line and message body. You can use markers from the drop-down list like All Answers to automatically pull in the actual form responses. Add your recipients in the TO Recipients field. You can include multiple email addresses separated by commas. Click Save to activate your notification workflow. Now you'll get detailed notifications with the form responses included. For team collaboration, open your form and click the Responses tab at the top. Click the green Sheets icon to connect your form to a Google spreadsheet. Either create a new one or pick an existing sheet. Share that spreadsheet with your team members. Each person can then set their own notification preferences by opening the sheet, going to Tools, then Notification Rules, and choosing when they want to be notified, like when any changes are made. Now everyone on your team gets alerts when new responses come in, and they can see the full data in the shared sheet. Here's a quick tip. The Digital Inspiration add-on is the most reliable option if you're going the add-on route, as some other notification add-ons have had stability issues. For basic alerts to yourself, the built-in method is all you need. For teams or customized notifications with response details, go with the add-on or the Sheets method. Thanks for watching.